Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I have a new amazing and brilliant platform that was I show in the video. So first of all friends, if you come first time on my channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon to see my new videos and notification. And friends, I'm not giving any financial advice. It's for all your education purpose. If you want to buy or invest in any project, so buy or invest on your own risk and own interest. So friends, now we're going to discuss about our project that is called MCN coin. So guys, it is a very amazing and brilliant coin. I will explain each and everything about this coin in this video, so don't skip out any part of my video. First of all, here you can check out their website. This coin is already listed on Maxi. I can show you. You can check out here. This coin is already listed on Maxi exchange. You are able to trade on Maxi or buy sell this coin on Maxi are available. First of all, next week guys, we can check out its website. Here you can see MCN coin. You are key to the world of cryptocurrencies. You are part to the world of digital assets and blockchain revolution. Ensure your financial freedoms and innovative opportunities in the crypto world. Invest with confidence in advanced technologies and solutions. ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है, इसमें यहाँ पर आप फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम लाइक अगर आप ओवरसीज पाकिस्तान से हैं, मतलब कि आप पाकिस्तान से हैं या इंडिया से हैं या आप बांग्लादेश या श्रीलंका या यूएई, आप किसी भी कंट्री से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं और आपका कोई फैमिली मेम्बर जो दूसरे मुल्क में रहता हो, जहाँ पर काम करता हो, लाइक वो यूएसए रशिया वगैरह में रहता हो, वहाँ पर काम करता हो, तो वो आपको जो करेंसी सेंड करता है वो यूएस डॉलर के अंदर सेंड करता है, वो आप अपनी करेंसी में चेंज करते हैं। लाइक ये भी उसी तरह का है। ये कॉइन आप अपनी जो ओवरसीज मतलब मेंबर्स हैं वो आपको इस करेंसी के अंदर आपको क्रिप्टो के थ्रू सेंड करेंगे। ये MCN कॉइन इसीलिए बनाया गया ताकि आप यूएस डॉलर की तरह इसे भी यूज़ करें और अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स तक अपना जो सरमाया होता है वो भेज सके। उसके बाद बात की जाए इसके पार्टनर की, तो इसके मेनली पार्टनर में कॉइन गेक्को, मेटामास्क, कॉइन मार्केट कैप एंड मैक्सी वगैरह यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलेंगे। उसके बाद MC कॉइन फैक्ट, इसके फैक्ट क्या है वो यहाँ पर आपको बताते चलूँ। 120K प्लस यूज़र हो चुके हैं। ट्रेडिंग ऑन मेजर एक्सचेंज, आप इसको ट्रेड कर सकते हैं मेजर एक्सचेंजेस के ऊपर। इंटीग्रेशन विद BNB स्मार्ट चेन, ये इंटीग्रेशन किया गया BNB स्मार्ट चेन के थ्रू। और उसके बाद प्लान्ड टू बी पैक्ड विद USD, इसका प्लान जो है वो है पैक्ड विद USD को, मतलब US डॉलर के मुकाबले में आना। और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट गाइस यू कैन चेक आउट प्लान टू रीच 2.5 plus million user and active community and support in their community. Like you can join their Telegram and Twitter channel for seeing they have active community and support. And I will also put the link of their social media channels in the video description. You simplify, click on us and join the project. And next guys, you can see technology for verifying product and delivery, trading and investing. And next guys, you can check out technical analysis. You are also able to check out the technical analysis through this project. Here you can see crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCN coin. And next you can guys check out market overview also available. You can also check out market overview, the evolutions of finance and backgrounds. And I also explain their white paper. You can must be check out their white paper for a huge profit for further advantages. And next guys, you can check out advantages of MCN coin, trading and investing and money transfers. You can as I said, you can transfer your money from one country to another country using this crypto coin. Like MC coin providing a stable rate, allowing investors and migrants to preserve their funds. It simples international transfers, especially to remote areas with minimal fees. Recipients can convert MCN coin to local currency of or use it directly. And next guys, you can also check out earning interest and payment for goods and services. And next guys, you can check out participation in DeFi and storage in crypto wallet. So next guys, you can also check out their vision and missions. First of all, vision, you can see MCN aims to redefines the Central Asian market by providing a stable, secure and convenient platform that meets the financial needs of both individuals and business in Central Asia and beyond. Our vision is to drive economic growth and financial industry inclusively through cutting-edge technology and strategic partnership. And next guys, you can also check out their missions. They have global cryptocurrency market is expanding rapidly with increasing numbers of users and transaction each year. Cryptocurrencies have gained popularities as alternative investment tools or means of exchanges. According to the latest market analysis, the market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 12.8% from 2023 to 2030. So next guys, you can also check out their market overviews and market context of Central Asia and other things like that. And you can must check out their white paper. I also show you their white paper. You can also check out MC CoinMart and all the useful links, introductions and visions and missions and market overviews and like technologies and achievement, community and ecosystem goals and objective. You can must check out their white paper for all further details, for further notification, for further information about this coin, about this project. Next guys, we're going to talking about their coin on Maxi. You can check out guys how much this token has been pumped in 1 month. You can must check out their token in 1 month. You can see the price volume, how much it growth you can see, and you can also be check out there in 3 months, and you can check out their price was pumping so high. Here you can see how much this token has been pumped, and now you can see the price is 1.22, and you can buy this token using the Maxi exchange. Like you can add the amount and you can buy this token by using USD, any currency you want to buy, use for buying these tokens in Maxi. And by Maxi you are also able to do trade this coin. You can see trade options are also available here. You can check out their price volume in 3 months. You guys can check, must believe on this coin and buy this coin, hold this coin and use this coin for transferring money from one area, from one country to another country, and must follow their social media like Telegrams and Twitter channel for seeing upcoming updates and notification, and must follow their Twitter. They post upcoming events and updates on Twitters and Telegrams. You can check out their tweets and you must ask them any question on their Telegram channels and Twitters in the comments, and you must check out each detail, upcoming events and details on Twitters and Telegram, and must follow their other social media like Instagrams, Facebook, YouTube, Discord and others. Like you want to choose your Russian country, you can also select, and you can also able to contact them by using emails and by their contact number, and you can also check out each and everything on their website. So guys, it is a very amazing affiliate platform. You will get lot of profit by this platform, and you are also able to transfer money from one country to another country. So guys, I hope you will like this video. If you like, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further videos and notification. So friends, we meet in the next video. At that time, allow me good luck and goodbye.